Okay, so here we have one more exciting discussion today. Last Sunday we kept it surprise Sunday. Okay, you all knows the format of it. Now actually something we are planning, self-learning Sunday marathon. Okay, self-learning Sunday marathon. So this is a new theme we are bringing, and I want your opinion onto this. This is self-learning. Okay, here we will not keep any kind of surprise. In this particular format, we will be focusing more towards the learning area, the learning part. The surprise Sunday part is more towards how aggressively we can play the game and how we can manage the good collaboration so that we can have a good Sukshma score points. That was more focused in that way. But this self-learning Sunday marathon, we are going to keep mainly for the learning part improvement. Okay, in this we will be doing three main activities. First one will be posting an MCQ live. Okay, like जो भी आप लोग डेली कर रहे हो, same thing we will do live. Okay, in this we will be providing you one question format. Okay, one, like say suppose if you are a computer science student, we will provide you one question format. For JEE students को भी हमें क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट प्रोवाइड करेंगे, इधर फ्रॉम फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और मैथमेटिक्स. और सिविल सर्विसेज स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन फॉर्मेट प्रोवाइड करेंगे. लाइक most of the questions we will try to take from the previous year question papers of the JEE or NEET or interview question papers in the case of CSS students. That question I will be discussing with you, and we will be letting you know how we can play with this question now, and we can create new 100 versions of this one question. So that will be the first activity, posting MCQ but live. Okay, second activity also will be the BK activity, that will be answering activity. So whatever these 100 versions or 50 versions of the questions will be prepared, these questions will be now answered and discussed by the other students, whoever is participating into this particular activity. Okay, ये second round हो जाएगा. Okay, answering activity, discussions activity. This is also a regular activity, but the difference is this will be happening live. I will be connecting live on YouTube. Screen will be shared. जो भी लोग post कर लेंगे, those who have completed the post, I will be keep on showing, and we will be having a discussion on that also. Third activity will be play quiz. Okay, so this is also regular play quiz only. So, but in this play quiz, we will be not considering that 27 points. Beyond knowing वाला. Okay, we will be considering your actual points जो भी आपके होंगे, whatever the percentage you have achieved in the play quiz. So these three rounds we will be conducting. After these three rounds, after the third round, we will shortlist 10 or 15 based on how many students are participating. Based on that, we will shortlist some 10 or 15 or 20 also top performing students as based on the play quiz. जो भी students who will be shortlisted based on the percentage of the play quiz, whatever they have achieved, then from there we will be having a discussion rounds. So first of all, those 10 students, whoever are being shortlisted, they have to explain how they have attended the quiz, questions, each question, how they have tackled, why they have left that question, why they have attended that question, how they have solved that question. Those all the things we will be discussing. In this round, again, we will shortlist some of the students. Say suppose 5 students we will shortlist. After that, these 5 students, we will be seeing how the modification and how the MCQ has been posted by these 5 students or 10 students. They can be any number. Okay, 10 students, how they have posted a MCQ or how they have done the answers. So we will try to analyze कि उसकी depth level क्या, और ये सब कुछ अकेले नहीं होगा, इन अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन होगा. ओके, इसीलिए इसको नाम मैराथन दिया गया है, ताकि बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू बी एटलीस्ट फॉर वन पूल, इट विल बी एटलीस्ट अ 2 hours लॉन्ग एक्टिविटी. इट विल बी ओके, इट विल टेक मिनिमम 2 hours फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द एंटायर एक्टिविटी. ओके, लाइक discussions, interview and all that process will be there. So in this particular third round, we will be basically checking it out, here we will be shortlisting finally who is rank 1, rank 2 and rank 3. Okay, then again same Amazon gift vouchers, these people will be getting each pool wise. So this is an overview, just an overview. We will be sharing a detailed document also regarding this Sunday self-learning marathon. We will share a document also. This video, let me know how this idea is sounding to you, how this idea is you are able to imagine. Okay, and if you are positive on this, let me know. tomorrow I think it will be too hurry to conduct this thing, because a bit preparation is required from our end also, and from you. You all also needs little time to execute this part. But still, you let me know your opinion. If you are so aggressive, like, okay sir, do it tomorrow itself only, we will do it also. Okay, like in the night only, we will prepare all the necessary arrangements, whatever is there, we will prepare for that, and we will do it. If not this one, if you guys want, like कि ठीक है चलो सरप्राइज संडे ही रख देते हैं सर इस बार. Okay, like if you want, like okay sir, this Sunday also we'll keep a surprise Sunday. So that also, for that also we are ready. In this one modification we will do this time, as most of the students have asked, we will try to club medical and the engineering entrance exam pool. These two pools we will try to merge, and then we will try to execute this surprise Sunday. So surprise Sunday is like it's all on you guys. Okay, if at least 5-10 or more than this students will say like, yeah, we will be doing this surprise Sunday this Sunday, then we will try to go for that one. Or if you are positive on that part, the first self-learning marathon, we can go for that. That also as we can go for that one as well. Otherwise, tomorrow Sunday, let's keep a void, and next Sunday we will definitely launch the self-learning Sunday marathon. Okay, this one we will do it. So this self-learning Sunday marathon, I am very much sure it will help you all to improve your beyond knowing activities. Very importantly, it will help you all into like boosting up your confidence regarding your every activity you do in beyond knowing, and it will help lot of the students who are not in the beyond knowing to know how the beyond knowing participants, they actually do the things on the ground. Okay, because ये सारी चीजें live होने वाली हैं. Okay, this is the most important difference. So these are the few pointers. Let me know. Okay, and whatever your ideas are there, let me know in the description, like in the comment box. Bye then.